Hello viewers, today I will teach you that about introduction of Python, that what is Python and why we need Python, what can do Python and why we use Python, and you would be happy to know about that. Python is a very popular language and a very useful language. More about in our future. Python is basically a very vast language and it is used all over the world for big projects, data handling, and lot of big projects. So today we will talk about that what is a Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and it was released in 1991. And then next, why, why Python used for? It is used for web development, software development, mathematics problems and mathematical problem solving techniques and system scripting. And the next thing, what Python can do, what is the application of Python, and so we will learn about that things. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python is used for web applications on a server. Python and next, Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python work with software to create workflows with other software like Excel and more software which is used in making of workflows. So Python can be used there and make it more bright. Python can connect database system. It can also read and modify files. So suppose you have a big data set and you want to modify that big data set. Uh, uh, so it was very difficult to find out these wrong values and other thing. So you need to write as 4 to 5 lines codes, so which can correct your exact locations fault at that time. So the next thing, Python can be used Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Also, for mathematicians and data scientists, Python can be very useful. So the next thing, that why we use Python. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and etc. Next, Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. The beauty of Python, guys, compared to other languages, is that the Python is a very friendly language. You can familiar with this language in 2 to 3 weeks easily, and you can understand it very easily because it is similar to English language. As you can understand English easily, so Python is very easy for you. Oh, syntax. Python has a syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines than some other programming languages. So I have already told you that Python is a very familiar with like English language. So Python in C, like compared to the other languages, if you want to write a program, like suppose you have to make a table of 2, so you would write to uh, a code of 20 to 25 lines code. So but in Python you just write to 5 lines code. Then this is the beauty of Python. Python runs on interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python running is very quick as compared to other programming languages, because Python, the beauty of Python that is its interpreter is very fast. Oh, so the next point is that Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or functional way. So you know about programming languages, that is Python. Like other programming languages, Python can be used in a systematical procedural way. So you can be used to that. You can use Python in a functional way. So that is our first lecture, introduction to Python, that what is a Python, why we use Python, and what can do Python. So this is the lecture of our first, this is the first lecture of our course. So I hope you will get it easily, and it will be a more informative for you. Don't subscribe and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.